It doesn't really matter what your objective is, if it's handstands, if it's being a better husband or better father or making $1 million. Whatever your objective, throw the idea of a goal out the window. A mission is critical. The military carries out missions. And if the military can carry out a mission, so can you. When you decide on your mission, it's time to get serious and begin the training. And it doesn't matter how fast you run or what the distance it is that you run or whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish. What matters is consistency, is waking up, getting the time in. Not the time, fast-paced time, but the time that counts. And not just 10,000 hours, but we're talking like dedicated hours dedicated towards improving. Or eating chocolate.